Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Faith Amina and we are cooking today. We do cooking videos, haul videos, home decor videos, a lot of different videos. Check it out so you can see what we do on this channel. Not to waste any time, but to just jump right in. Before we jump in though, please like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to me for you to support it. But yeah, let's get down to business. So today we are cooking baked potatoes with Brussels sprouts, zucchini, and I'm going to be making a ginger mint tea. Wow. So that's what I'm making. If you guys do not know, I haven't realized, I do not eat meat. I'm mostly plant-based. Sometimes a little cheese sneak in there, but today we're going to do straight plant-based food. So I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. It's super easy, super quick. The only thing that's long is the potatoes because I'm baking them. It's going to take about an hour and a half, but other than that, everything else is going to be super duper easy. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we're going to get started with washing off our potatoes, making sure that they're very clean. Anything that's on them, we're taking it off. After we do that, we're going to dry our potatoes off and place them down on a piece of paper or a sheet. So I got this technique from a YouTuber. I'll put her description down below. But you just stab the potato just to open it up a little bit. And then you coat it with some olive oil or oil of your choice just to rub it down. I find that this gives it a very crispy outside layer, which is really good. I love it a lot. I think she did a great job. I'm glad I found this technique. Now we're going to season this bad boy. We got some black pepper, some pink Himalayan salt, and some season oil that I got from Trader Joe's. And we're just gonna wrap it up. Put it in the oven on 400 for about an hour, hour and a half, depending on how big your potatoes are and how well your oven is. Now on to the Brussels sprouts. So I'm just cutting them. It's very easy. I take off the back and cut them in halves, and then I cut them again, so they're basically in quarters. After that, we spray down our aluminum foil. Then we're going to put the Brussels sprouts into season it a little bit with your choice of seasoning, however you like to season it. I put a little paprika on mine. That's what you see me doing right now. Mix it all up. Make sure everything's evenly coated. And now we're going to just put it in the oven with the baked potatoes for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now while that is going, I'm going to get started on the zucchini. I'm just going to take it out, cut off the ends, and chop it up. You guys will see. So I'm rinsing off the zucchini. I rinsed everything off, but I kind of did it off camera. Also make sure that you wash your hands wash your hands before you get started. So as you see, I'm cutting up a onion, and I think it's easy to just use the bag that I used earlier from the Brussels sprouts and put all my things in there, so it's like a mini trash bag, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to the trash can. So right here, I just have 1 clove of garlic, and I'm just gonna roughly chop that up, and that's just for a little bit of flavor. Okay, so I hope you guys remember we are making ginger tea, so ginger mint tea, excuse me. So with that being said, I have a little bit of ginger root. I cut off a thumb. I cut those, just roughly cut those into, I want to say like 1/8. I'm not sure what I cut them into. I just cut them very small into like little chunks, and then as you see coming up, I'm going to grade it down and right into the pot, because that's the same pot that I'm going to be boiling to the water to make my tea. So I realized that I had some shiitake mushrooms, and I was like, oh, let's add that to the mix. So what you see is just some shiitake mushrooms with some seasoning, just warming up on the stove. I'm adding in vegetable broth, and then I'm going to add in the zucchini, the onions, the bell pepper, and the garlic that I cut up earlier, and just add that all in and let that simmer and get a little bit of flavor going. I will let that cook until it's translucent or to your liking. Okay, so while that's cooking, our baked potatoes are done. We're going to take that out. We're going to let them cool off a little bit. The Brussels sprouts are done. I cooked them a little too long, as you guys can see. And our ginger tea is done. I strain it and I put it into this container that I got from the thrift store. I really love this container. Like, it's so pretty to me. I'm just adding in some brown sugar. As you guys can see, I plated my food on the side, my baked potato, my zucchini, and my Brussels sprouts. Mix that all up. And then I was like, oh yeah, I got a bar mixer. Let's make the best of it, boo. Let's get some mixing going. And I made myself a little bit of alcohol beverage. So, you know, that's what you see me doing here. I've never done this before, but I figured I have coconut liquor that I could just add to the ginger and mint, and it'll be good. I am half Trinidadian, so I love me some rum. I love me some ginger and some coconut. It gives me real, like, Caribbean vibes, and seeing that we're all in quarantine, you know, you gotta do a little bit of something to, you know, keep the day going. This is me being a fake bartender, shaking it up. There we go. Look at my glass that I got from the Dollar Tree. Yes, glass looks so nice and fancy. I was really proud of this. Alright guys, so that's my dinner. I made Brussels sprouts with zucchini and shiitake mushrooms and a baked potato. And I made myself a nice little drink. If you like this video, please check out my other videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you thought of today's video. And check out what else I have going on my channel. Until next time, I love you guys from the bottom to the top. Have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whenever. Be safe.